trying to get some... Hi. Yes, I see you. Hey, Gran. Hey, Gran. You getting around okay? Alright, you take care of Granny, okay? You do such a good job. Yeah, you and your brother do an amazing job taking care of everybody. Alright, ladies. I'll see you all in the morning. Huh? And see you all in the morning? Yeah? Okay. Gloom, 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 gloom. There goes Granny, walking around. So she's got really bad arthritis in her front knees, as you can see how swollen they are. But man, she comes out about this time and does a little walkabout and does her some grazing while everybody's having dinner. But hey, she's up moving around. That's all that matters. All right. Hey, have a good evening tonight and be safe, okay? Be safe. I'll see him in the morning. Yeah. What's your brother up to? He'll be over in a little bit. Okay. Good night, ladies. I'll see everybody in the morning. Yes, I will. Alright. Everybody's got their nighttime, their evening feeding done. Must grab my glasses and head on back to the house. Oh, hold on. I gotta go say goodnight and have a safe night. Come on. Come here. Come see me before I go in. Come on. Come on. That's my boy. Hey, have a safe night tonight, okay? You have a safe night. I love you. Yes, I do. Smile. Say cheese, please. All right. I love you both. Be safe tonight. Take care of each other and everybody else. Okay. And that's it. And then also at night, the black one, Mimi, and the blonde, Rusty, they're in and out in this yard all night because they have a doggy door over there on their laundry door. So they come out, they go in and out. So normally you'll hear dogs barking, but when these two start going crazy, those two start going crazy, and then the neighbors have livestock dogs too. Like last night, they were all going nutso. So, all right, you guys ready to go in for a little bit? Or do you want to stay out? Let's go inside and relax for a little bit. Yeah, come on, let's go. Meet me at the house. Come on. Come on. Brothers and sisters. Actually, only one brother, but Rusty's the only boy. So we got Mimi and Poppy. And then inside is Dakota. Hi. You ready to go inside for a little bit? Okay. I'll see you in a minute. I'll meet you at the back door, okay? Okay. Cheese! 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 Hey, Mimi. Cheese!